In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find logging and QR code in Outlook. We'll walk through a simple path inside Outlook's website to get to the place where the QR code for mobile sign-in and setup usually appears. This is helpful if you're setting up Outlook on your phone and want the fastest way to connect your account without manually entering everything. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook. You're looking for the official Microsoft Outlook site in the results. It should clearly show Microsoft branding and a trusted Microsoft domain. Clicking into the official Outlook website will take you to the web version of Outlook, where we can access the built-in help resources. Once you're on the Outlook site, look toward the interface for the Help option. Depending on your layout, Help can appear as a button labeled Help or as a small question mark icon, usually near the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and select Help. This opens Outlook's Assistance panel and support links, which is where Microsoft places quick ways to get the mobile app and the associated QR code. Inside the Help area, choose Outlook Mobile. This option is designed specifically to guide you through using Outlook on iOS and Android. When you click it, Outlook will typically present a page or panel that features a QR code. That code is commonly used to direct your phone to download the Outlook mobile app, or to streamline the sign-in process. If you already have the Outlook app installed on your phone, scanning this code can jump you straight into the correct setup flow without digging through menus. A few quick tips while you're here. Make sure you're on the official Microsoft site before scanning any QR code, and avoid scanning codes from untrusted pages. If the code doesn't display right away, give the page a refresh or briefly disable any aggressive content blockers and try again. Also note that some organizations customize Outlook. If you're using a work or school account, the wording can vary slightly, but the Outlook mobile option in Help is still the place to look. That's all there is to it. You've navigated from a simple search to the Outlook website, opened the Help section, and selected Outlook Mobile so you can access the logging in QR code. Use your phone's camera or the Outlook app to scan it, follow the prompts, and you'll be set up quickly and securely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your Outlook mobile login working in no time.